Beneath the soil in secret sleep, a bulb of power the earth does keep. With layers wrapped in ivory skin, a hidden flame that burns within. Used by pharaohs, philosophers, warriors, and healers, garlic is not just food, it's medicine. It's protection. It's sacred. In ancient Greece, Hippocrates, the father of medicine, prescribed garlic to treat respiratory problems, poor digestion, and fatigue. It's sacred. He famously said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." The Olympians and soldiers of Sparta consumed garlic before battles, believing it gave them courage and stamina. In ancient Greece, garlic wasn't just medicine or food. Garlic was sacred. It was apotropaic, meaning it had the power to avert evil, and it was closely tied to tonic deities, those who ruled the underworld, the earth, and the secrets hidden beneath it. From the pyramids of Egypt to the temples of Delphi, garlic was revered as a gift from the gods. Story of garlic and the goddess Hecate. Garlic was a sacred offering to Hecate, the goddess of magic, crossroads, the moon, and the spirit world. On the dark moon, followers of Hecate would leave offerings at three-way crossroads: black dogs, honey cakes, and raw garlic. These rituals were known as Hecate's suppers, and they were left at night for the goddess and her restless spirits. Why garlic? Because its pungent scent and powerful energy were believed to repel malevolent spirits and guide lost souls, just as Hecate did. To this day, garlic is used in Hecatian rituals to protect the home, break curses, and open the path to deeper wisdom. And in the East, traditional Chinese medicine called garlic a warming herb, used to detoxify the body and kill parasites. Garlic was believed to ward off evil spirits, curses, and disease. In medieval Europe, it was hung in doorways to protect against the plague. The name garlic comes from the Old English gar meaning spear, and liac meaning leek, spear leek, for its pointed green shoots. But its power goes far beyond the spear. In ancient Egypt, garlic was so prized it was given to laborers building the pyramids, for strength and endurance. It was even found in the tomb of King Tutankhamun, buried as a sacred offering for the afterlife. Pharaohs praised you, warriors fed, you crowned the living, blessed the dead. At Hecate's gate, your clothes were laid, a guard of night, where shadows fade. Incredible health benefits of garlic. Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory, all in one. Supports cardiovascular health. Garlic is well known for being heart protective in several ways. Lowers blood pressure, antihypertensive. Garlic relaxes blood vessels and increases nitric oxide production, which improves blood flow and reduces pressure on the heart. Lowers cholesterol and triglycerides. Studies show garlic can reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, while raising HDL, good cholesterol, helping to prevent plaque buildup in arteries. Prevents blood clots. Garlic has mild anticoagulant, blood-thinning properties, which reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Application. Aged garlic extract or raw garlic can be used long-term as a supplement. Combine garlic with olive oil and lemon juice for a heart-healthy dressing. Strengthens immunity. Garlic enhances the activity of white blood cells, particularly macrophages and natural killer, NK, cells, which destroy pathogens and infected cells. It also helps modulate cytokines, the chemical messengers of the immune system, making garlic both immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory. Application. Crush 1 clove and let it sit for 10 minutes, then eat with honey or lemon. Use raw garlic in teas and soups during times of sickness. Regular use reduces cold frequency and duration. Supports brain health and may reduce dementia risk. Garlic is rich in antioxidants like selenium, vitamin C, and quercetin, which help reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It also supports detoxification of heavy metals, especially lead and mercury, which impair brain function. Application: aged garlic extract is especially good for long-term brain support. Pair garlic with turmeric and omega-3s for a neuroprotective combo. Anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that regular garlic intake is linked to reduced risk of certain cancers, especially stomach, colon, esophageal, prostate. Breast cancer. How it works. Garlic increases the activity of phase 2 liver enzymes, which detoxify carcinogens. Allicin and its byproducts can slow the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death. Application: eat 1 to 2 raw cloves daily or take aged garlic extract as prevention. Supportive in cancer preventive diets along with cruciferous vegetables and berries. Improves digestion and gut health. Garlic acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, which are key for nutrient absorption. Mood regulation, via the gut-brain axis. Application: eat raw garlic before meals to aid digestion. Use in anti-parasitic protocols, with cloves, black walnut, and wormwood. Anti-inflammatory for joints and skin. Garlic reduces inflammation by lowering pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha and IL-6. This makes it useful in conditions like arthritis, skin rashes, acne and boils. Application: garlic poultices or garlic-infused oil can be applied topically, always patch test. Regulates blood sugar. Garlic improves insulin sensitivity and can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome. How it works. Stimulates insulin secretion. Improves glucose uptake in cells. Application: combine with cinnamon and fenugreek for blood sugar regulation. Consume consistently for long-term effects. Detoxification support. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that boost the liver's ability to eliminate toxins, particularly heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and mercury. Application: use garlic with cilantro and chlorella in heavy metal detox protocols. Eat with lemon and parsley for additional cleansing effect. How to maximize garlic's healing power: crush and let it rest. Let chopped or crushed garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking or consuming. This allows allicin to fully form. Use raw when possible. Allicin is destroyed by heat. If cooked, add garlic at the end of cooking. Start small. Raw garlic is potent. Start with half a clove and work up to 1 to 2 cloves daily. Pair with herbs. Combine with turmeric, ginger, thyme, or oregano for synergistic effects. Boost immunity, especially against colds, flu, and infections. Also will lower blood pressure naturally. And reduce cholesterol and plaque buildup in arteries. Garlic support detoxification of heavy metals. Reduce oxidative stress, the root of aging and many chronic diseases. You chase the plague, you cleanse the breath, a humble shield from pain and death. Your allicin, a fiery stream, a healer's truth, a sacred dream. Allicin is responsible for garlic's signature smell and its powerful medicinal effects. Allicin can kill or inhibit bacteria, viruses, and fungi, including Staphylococcus aureus, common in skin infections. Eat raw garlic daily during flu season. Use in garlic honey blends for sore throats and strong immunity. Garlic oil can be infused and used topically for ear infections or skin ailments. Lemon and garlic tea to clear the lungs. Ancient healing recipes with garlic. Ancient Greek garlic honey elixir healing tonic. Used for boosting strength, immunity, and longevity. Ingredients: 3 to 4 fresh garlic cloves, crushed, 3 tablespoons raw honey. A splash of vinegar, wine vinegar was common. Method: crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes, activates allicin. Mix with honey until it forms a paste. Add a small splash of vinegar for preservation. Take a spoonful daily for vitality. Ancient athletes and soldiers believed this built endurance. 2. Egyptian garlic bread with olive oil. Used for Energy for pyramid builders, garlic and bread were daily rations. Ingredients: 2 cups barley or emmer whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 cloves garlic, crushed. Water, enough to form dough. Method: mix flour, salt, and water into a rustic dough. Add crushed garlic and olive oil, knead well. Form flatbreads and bake on a hot stone or skillet. Enjoy warm with more olive oil drizzle, simple, energizing, and earthy. 3. Roman garlic and herb dressing, maritum. Used for a spread eaten with bread, famously written about by Virgil. Ingredients: 4 cloves garlic, fresh herbs, parsley, coriander, or celery leaves. A pinch of salt, olive oil. Sheep's cheese, like feta or pecorino. Method: pound garlic and herbs with salt in a mortar. Add cheese and grind into a paste. Drizzle with olive oil until smooth. Spread on bread. Romans loved this for breakfast. 4. Byzantine garlic yogurt dip, Scordalia's ancestor, used for a humble peasant dish, also believed to protect against illness. Ingredients: 4 cloves garlic, 1/2 cup walnuts or almonds, 1 cup thick whole milk yogurt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, pinch of salt. Method: crush garlic with nuts into a paste. Mix with yogurt, olive oil, and salt. Serve as a dip with vegetables or bread. These simple, healing recipes show how garlic was both food and medicine, strengthening soldiers, energizing workers, and guarding against sickness. O garlic, fierce, both sharp and kind, you cure the body, clear the mind. From kitchen hearth to temple's door, your gift endures forevermore. And now it is time for a funny dialogue, the great kitchen debate, garlic versus onion. Garlic, smugly, ah, the chefs adore me. Crush me, chop me, roast me, raw, I heal the heart, fight colds, and chase away vampires. I'm basically a mortal warrior in a bulb. Onion, rolling eyes, please, you think you're special? I build the foundation of every great dish. Soups, stews, sauces, without me, it's tasteless mush. You're just a cameo, I'm the star actor. Garlic, laughing, star actor? You, onion, make people cry the moment they meet you. I bring joy, strength, and healing, you bring tears. Onion, smirking, ah, but tears cleanse the soul. Onion, I am therapy and flavor. Besides, when people caramelize me, I turn into golden sweetness. Try doing that without burning, stinky breath garlic boy. Garlic, gasp, stinky breath? That's the smell of power. 1 clove of me keeps sickness, and sometimes humans, far away. Onion, chuckling, power, sure. But tell me, who's chopped by the ton in every cuisine on earth? Indian curries? French onion soup? Even Greek moussaka starts with me. Garlic, crossing arms, fine, you're the base. But I'm the finishing touch. The spark, the magic, the goddess of flavor. Onion, grinning, alright, truce. You're the magic, I'm the melody. Together, we make the kitchen sing. Garlic, nodding, agreed. But between us, we both know I'm tastier. Onion, groans, here we go again. The chef's hand reaches into the bowl. Both gasp. Garlic and onion, in unison, oh, it's dinner time. Do you use garlic in your diet? Do you have your favorite recipes with garlic? Please write in the comment section below. Until next time, please watch my next nutritional healing video. Stay healthy and happy, please cook and dance. So let us crush, and let us taste, your holy strength we won't let waste. A bulb of earth, yet touched by skies, eternal medicine, pure and wise. Thank you for watching, please like, share and subscribe.